Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to migrate workflows to Flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup in our Salesforce by clicking here on this icon. Then click on Setup, and from here you can search for the workflows. And here we can find all the workflows that we have, and we need just to go to workflow rules. Let's just click on continue so we can have this page. So as you can see, already Salesforce gave this warning or this information that you can migrate your workflow rules to flows. So basically I have no workflows, but if you go and click on migrate your workflows, you can learn more from here. So let's just click on tell me more, and basically from here you will find all your workflows. And basically after selecting a workflow, so it will be something similar to this, and we can find this article of the guide of Salesforce. So whenever you click and go into the workflow page, which is this one, or to migrate to flow, you will need just to select any workflow rule that you have. So for example, this case status is closed, you select it, and then you click on migrate to flow, and then you just list it in the team or in the flow builder. After that, you will need just to switch activation so that your workflow becomes successfully a flow, and then you will need just to case, and congrats, you have created or you have migrated your workflow to become a flow. So simply those are the things or the steps to follow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.